Rinjani Mountain. Plan to vacation, hiking, or relax your body? Okay, I will recommend beautiful place. This is it, Rinjani Mountain, one of my favorite places in the world. Rinjani Mountain National Park is located on the island of Lombok, Indonesia, in the North Lombok Regency. The parks cover about 41,330 hectares and consists of mountainous areas. Mount Rinjani or Gunung Rinjani, which is the third highest mountain of Indonesia, 3,726, is located in this national park, giving this park its name. To reach Mount Rinjani, we can take a bus from Jakarta to Mataram. After you get to Mataram, then we continue to Sembalun village, or we can reach Senaru village. Using local transportation, or use the flight from Jakarta, Surabaya, and Denpasar towards to the airport Selaparang Mataram Lombok. Some of endangered plants are protected in this national park, such as Proteospermum javanicum, Sweetene macrophylla, Ficus purba, Tuna surani, Vandespi, Usnea sp, and Annapolis sp. There are also several endangered fauna protected in national park, including rusa deer, Indian muntah, sanded porcupine, sourly monkeys, helmeted firebird, several cactus, and scaly horned honey deer. So, what's the reason to come to Rinjani Mountain of Indonesia? Aside from hiking, other fun activities can be including relaxation at Segara Lake. The location is near to foot on the mountain and it has an easy access. In terms of size, Rinjani Mountain is definitely big and vast. The most famous feature of the site is the presence of a peaceful lake called Rinjani. Still, the mountain has other features like caves, lush trees, and savannas. Beside the summit, there is a place that also frequently visited, that is Garanakan. This is a lake that located at an altitude of 2,000 meters above sea level. To reach this location, we can climb for Senaru village or Sembalun Lawang, two nearest entry points at an altitude of 600 meters ESL and 1,150 meters ESL. This explains why visitors will be astonished during the exploration and they are likely to spend more time to get around the site. Not to mention, the trekking route is considered easy, so everyone can enjoy hiking comfortable there. In fact, no local guide is needed as long as hikers have the basic experience to conduct such activity. No wonder it becomes one of the most visited tourist sites for those who come to this area. The color of the lake is similar to that of the sea, and it emits a soothing atmosphere as well. At this site, tourists can enjoy relaxation and family recreation, which is a good alternative to hiking. Rinjani has best panorama among the mountains in Indonesia, each year June until August. It has been visited by many tourists from local or abroad. The temperatures average about 20 degrees Celsius plus 12 degrees Celsius, and there will be strong winds, which are common at the peak in August. And also, you can visit another place nearby attraction is Rinjani Garden, Busuk Sembalun Park, Mangku Sekti Waterfall, Tiukal Waterfall, and Telaga Mountain. So let's go to Rinjani and happy vacation!